at 8:38 a.m. Home network, and the only reason I'm recording is because data is moving there. Data is being sent. .58 data is being sent. All right, and it will not load YouTube. That's why I'm recording, because my Mac will not load YouTube. Lots of issues. Data continues to be sent right there, and it will not load YouTube. (174°F) will not load YouTube. Data is being sent right there in activity monitor. It will not load YouTube. Actually, this is the furthest it has gone this morning. Previous to that, this is what it said: you are not connected to the internet. Okay, so it loaded it, but nothing loaded. Safari cannot open the page. Try again. Will not load YouTube. Okay, now we're at 200°F. Okay, 212 degrees. And screen time will not show what the apps that Stalker is using to access my computer. Battery's not charging. Still will not load YouTube. Data is moving right there. Data is being sent. (212°F). There we go. YouTube is still not loading. Remote view. Quick time and activity monitor using significant energy. YouTube still will not load. Stalker is at it again. Force quit. Quick time. All right. So it loaded again, but not really. Safari cannot open YouTube because the server where this page is located isn't responding. Okay. Cyber stalking. Oh, energy impact went up. Data is being sent right there. 212°F. All right, so a lot of tampering there. then it eased a little bit, still high, and then it's up again. Okay, so it will not load Safari. Let's see if it'll load Google. Let's see what Stalker is up to. Energy impact is very high. Move that to the side. There we go. Stalker is at it again. And screen time will not disclose usage. Let's go to pickups. Nope, will not disclose. Always allowed. Okay. Phone is always ticked off and grayed out. That went down. Energy impact went down. Will not load. One preview, two previews. Two quick times right there. Okay. Alright, and it will not load Google at all. So this is what it says. Google, because the server is where the page is located, isn't responding, so it wouldn't load google.com. Take another screenshot, and it will not load youtube.com. Okay, and this is at home. Data moving, data is being sent right there. So it will not load YouTube. Oh, terminal showed up. I did not have terminal here. I did not have terminal opened on the Mac. Alright, but terminal is here. Quit. Battery not charging again. YouTube will not load. Let's try another one. CNN.com. Stalker is determined. Nothing will load. Data moving. Energy impact went up. 212 degrees. App usage. Ah. So he's done tampering. So let's see what we have. We have two quick times. Stalker is done tampering. Okay, let's go to pickups. Safari is the pickup. Alright, so there's CNN. The server is down. Okay, server is down for CNN. Who else is down? NBC.com. Let's try that one. NBC.com. There's remote view. It seems the entire internet is shut down today. You can hear the sound of the malware. Stalker is at it again. Remote view. 13 minutes. Okay. So let me go. Today is November the 9th. Leave that for a bit. Energy impact went up. Data is sent. Alright, so NBC will not load either. Okay. And I am connected to my home network. cbc.ca. Remote view. Remote view. So CBC, are you done? Are you down today, November 9th, 2020 at 8:52 a.m.? I doubt it. Data move. Oh, CBC is not working. All right. CBC server is down. Let's see Amazon. Amazon will be down to Red Stalker. We know who you are, Stalker. Let's go. There we go. Amazon. Amazon is down. Amazon is down. All right. Okay, let's go here, and so Stalker doesn't want me to see my website. All right. Amazon.com is down. Let's try Google. google.com, and let's go for it. Data moving. Data moving. System preference. Screen time is the number 1 user, number 2 user 66. $18. Still at 2 quick times. NBC UNI NBC. I didn't go here. CBC radio. No, I didn't go to CBC radio because nothing loaded. Amazon.Amazon. Well, that's weird. I didn't even get to CNN.com. Wow. Okay. Alright, stalker. You don't want me to get to the internet. 105.90. Oh, somebody's tampering with screen time. Somebody's tampering with screen time. 87, 103, 105, 103, 106. Somebody's tampering with screen time. Energy impact is high. I did not go to CBC.CBC radio or Amazon.Amazon or NBC.com. Terminal has been in use for 11 minutes. I did not use terminal. Terminal wasn't even opened by me. Console is here, but not here. Categories. Oh, other. There we go. Hello, stalker. Always allowed. So QuickTime has moved up here. We have 6 minutes of QuickTime and 2 minutes of QuickTime. But that wasn't there previously. That is ticked off and grayed out. And 2 previews are here. Okie dokie. Are you still fucking around with screen time, stalker? Let's see. Oh, that was 1 minute. Apps, 21 minutes. Okay. Remote view. So let's see. Okay. Oh, data moving. Looky here. Data is moving. And it's no longer 212 degrees, but 8,000 RPMs. Okay. Do that. Do that. Do that. And my screenshots are in order, and I'm sure I didn't leave them in order. Let's see. These are the ones from today. Right. Let's see over here. This is the one where These screenshots had disappeared previously in the thumbnail in the USB. Open 31. All right. So this should be the thumbnail for upload number 250. $251. You remove that one. This is one of the fake emails from YouTube that came from Stalker. He later removed 207 and 209. They were there, they were playing, then he later removed them. So there's three things here. Stalker, you're listening, you know what I'm saying. Okay, 251, 238. 250, 238. Upload number 251. This is a thumbnail. These are the ones he had removed as of November 2nd, 2020. He removed out 206, 207, 208. He also removed all 196, and this is a second third of 196. He then removed number 200. He didn't originally remove 200, but later on he removed 200. And yeah, they used to say this is upload number 206. And then I recorded it in upload number 232, which he removed. And it says, I do not have permission to edit my own video. 212 degrees, nothing new. Uploading number 219, he removed number 219. Oh yeah, and 219 is missing length of time it'll take to upload. Now why would he remove all of these from my USB? 200 all there, but it's all fuzzy when I'm playing it. Then he removed it, quote unquote removed, not YouTube removed, Stalker removed. 196 removed and removed by Stalker. This is the email that Stalker sent to me, i.e. my property, Stalker, because you keep removing it. Usage 2 minutes, productivity 4 minutes. It's all there. And then October 2nd, October 28th, it was uploaded, and it says I don't have permission to edit. He keeps switching back and forth, can't make up his mind. Right, this is upload number 206. These are all the ones some of all the ones he removed. 206, twice, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go back. 1 hour, 13 minutes, 18 minutes, lots of information. He removed them all. 17% charge, 20 hours to upload. Energy impact very high. Now he's removed all these screenshots from my USB key. You can see 212 degrees, 8,000 RPMs. This time it shows time left. It's a 10-minute video, and this is how I think it took 2 hours, right, Stalker? 10-minute video took, I think, more than 2 hours. No, 2 hours 15 minutes. Yep. And yeah, 206. I don't have permission. I do have permission to edit. And 215. I don't have permission. $208. I don't have permission to edit, and when I play them it's crazy fuzzy. 206. I don't have permission. Yeah, some of them has been switched out. 198. I don't have permission to edit my own video. And this one only said archaeologyvacations.com. That's all it showed, archaeologyvacations.com. And then who would want to remove archaeologyvacations.com? That's the billion-dollar question. A stalker. 196. Mac number 20. It's all here. Who would want to remove it's all here? You don't have permission, it says. 206. Suddenly, your video is currently processing. That's November the 2nd. He removed all of these from the USB. All right. $254, $240, $255, $240, $255, 3 hours 3 minutes, 2 hours 22 minutes. Yep. How many were that? 31. Alright, stalker, let's see what you're up to. Google.com. Nope, stalker will not allow it. Oh, red. 8% is in red. Oh, system preference using significant energy. System preference is using significant energy. 68. System preference. Somebody's tampering with system preference. Somebody's tampering with system preference. I know who it is. $29 minutes. Ooh, now I have system preference. Okay, now I have 2 previews. Yoo-hoo! System preference. 132, 128. Somebody's tampering with screen time. Quit tampering with screen time, stalker. Ooh, energy impact went up. Ooh, and let's do that. Oh, there you go. 2 quick time, 2 previews. No, stay put. There we go. There we go. Stalker is at it. Now it's activity monitor and system preference. He wants to diversify. Stalker wants to diversify. So system preference and activity monitor. Oh, battery's not charging. What's SNI? I have to figure that one out. Right, stalker? No wonder you're tampering with screen. Oh, screen capture now is 40. Okay, so you're done with apps, categories. Okay, pickups. Okay, now it's Finder and Safari. Battery's not charging. System preference using significant energy. But system preference is not in the top 3. Boy, you're on a roll, aren't you, stalker? There's data moving. Come on, you're not highlighting. It's not showing. Activity monitor is what you should say. System preference. Somebody tampering with system preference. Battery is not charging, and he's tampering with system preference. Still tampering with system preference. Map usage. Alright, so let's do this. Go out. So every process in system preference is remote. Start from general. Turn this off. Turn that off. There's data moving, so it's at all of these packets out, but no network. So I've joined my network. Data is moving. On, data moving. Let's try that again. Stalker, you're listening. You know every move I'm making. 647. Now, originally, Stalker, I entered the correct password and you said it was incorrect. Data moving. Okay, so home network is joined. Remote view. Wi-Fi is an active process. Right? Wi-Fi is an active process. There we go. Okay. Battery still not charging. Data moving. Data moving. Okay. Go over here. Battery not charging for 5 minutes. Go to here. And let's see, everything is remote. Desktop. Screensaver. Oh, you just went up. All system preference is remote. Dock. Mission control. Siri. Yeah, I did not engage Siri. It's on. It's grayed out. Even if I turn it off, let's see. Okay, forget about it. Don't want to change anything. This is what happens at wipe. Speech is remote. This is everything that happened at wipe. Okay. Spotlight. Malware is very loud. Battery still not charging. Oh, system preference is using significant energy still. I thought you were done tampering with system preferences, Stalker. Language. Remote view. Notification. Remote view. Turn it off. Don't know what it is. But turn it off. Internet accounts. Inactive. Notification is remote. Okay. Go back out. Cancel. Wallet. Remote view. Touch ID. At setup, it would not accept my Touch ID. Password is remote. Password is remote. Users in the group. This cannot be undone. Doesn't matter how many accounts I put in. This cannot be undone. It's ticked off and grayed out. Right, Stalker? Gotcha. Okay, I only have one one foreign app. Here it is. Right there, TG Pro. There's no other app. No other foreign app that I have. That doesn't count what Stalker has in my computer. Accessibility. Remote view. System preference is still using significant energy. Battery is not charging. So Stalker is using so much energy that the battery is not charging. Screen time. There's other, there's Stalker, and then he quickly stops it, so it only shows us 1 minute. And let's go to app, and 38 minutes of system preference. Safari. I've been using Safari for 35 minutes. No shit. That just went up. Somebody is using, somebody's tampering. I did not use terminal. Did not use terminal at all. I did not even open terminal. 2 previews, 2 quick time. They switch positions. 2 preview, 2 quick times. They switch positions. Okay. Quick time 6 minutes, quick time 2 minutes. Nah, I think I've been using quick time for longer. Stalker, keep it the program, Stalker. I did not go here. I did not go here. I did not go here. That's because you stopped me from going to NBC, you stopped me from going to Amazon, and you stopped me from going to CBC and CNN. Okay, pickups. Don't know why I have 2 of them, but I do have 2 of them. Oh, 140, 132. Man, 140, 158. Stalker is on a roll. 149, 155. Stalker is on a roll. So this is ticked off and grayed out, always. Gonna go fast up. 2 preview, 2 quick time. Woohoo. Stalker is on a roll. 147. Alright, 2 preview, 2 quick time. Okay, preference is remote. 139. And categories I've already shown other, that's Stalker. 9 o'clock in the morning on November the 9th at 2020. Okay, that's down now. Let's go back here. So you're done tampering. Okay, so he's done tampering. So there it was at 100, over 100, around 150, and then he's gone down here. Okay, the tampering slowed down because he's done with the tampering. Right, Stalker? Alright. And extensions. Remote view, extension is remote. Security. I did not join Siri. Oh, lots of remote. Did not join Siri, but it's already here. System services, same thing. Don't know why it's there. Everything is grayed out. Firewall. Security is remote. Firewall. Security is remote. General. Security is remote. Alright. Software update. Remote view. Update is remote. Not charging for 12 minutes. Network. Alright, this is always ticked off and grayed out. before the wipe, the Mac was connecting via hotspot. So if I undo this, turn it off, ticked off and grayed out. There we go. Stalker is still connected to my home network. Ticked off and grayed out. Network is remote. Data still moving. There we go. Data moving. 14,000. Sent more out than in. Alright. Alright. Oh, remote. Go out here. So that's ticked off and grayed out. Just similar to purchase. At purchase, that's what happened. Bluetooth is off, but I continuously see Bluetooth here. Originally this was ticked off and not grayed out. Then it was ticked off and grayed out. And then it was not ticked off, but this line was grayed out. Right, Stalker? You change it around. You change it constantly, thinking I wouldn't notice. And then, oh, this just jumped up. He's at it. What are you changing now, Stalker? This just jumped up. And then, yeah, this is not grayed out anymore. It looks normally like the other ones do, but it was grayed out. Anywho, I will see Bluetooth here constantly. When Bluetooth is supposedly turned off, and as I've mentioned a million times, the remote sound is remote. Sound disappeared and reappeared, and 4 times the Apple Store gave me new computers. 4 times. 4. Okay. Then Stalker stopped tampering with sound, and he's moved on to other things. He's graduated to other things. Okay. Keyboard is remote for sure. Sound remote, keyboard remote, print fax remote, all system preferences remote. Keyboard, remote view, print fax. Come on, get with the program. Keyboard remote. There you go. Text, shortcut, remote, input, remote, station. Hello, you are off, but you can hear me, can't you? Hello. Hello, you can hear every conversation I'm having, can't you, Stalker? Alright, let's move on. No need to dwell. Keyboard remote. System preference still using significant energy. It doesn't end. Where am I? Let's go to mouse. Mouse. Mouse is not showing. I don't have no mouse. I have no mouse. Display. Display is AirPlay device menu service. Keyboard remote. Night shift. Color. Go back out here. I didn't do sidecar. Overkill. So this I put this to the end only because of the constant termination of my uploads, right, Stalker? Energy saver is remote. Remote charge is constant. I don't need to charge it, Stalker. You know you have a remote charge. We've been through this many times. System preference is remote. Oh wait, no, let's do date and time. Date and time, remote. Date and time, remote. Time zone. Clock. Activity monitor using significant energy. Go out. And let's go to the baby of it all, the heart of it all. Right, Stalker? You're listening. System preference is using significant energy. Battery's not charging. 17 minutes. All right, so there's me and Stalker. Or is it Stalker and I? Can't remember these things. All right, so administrator, there's Stalker and myself, or I should be the little one at the behind, and there's Stalker. Administrators with an S. There's always a public folder when the Mac is at purchase. There's a public folder and at wipe. Media sharing. This is not in red. It says off. That doesn't mean shit. Printer sharing. Login. There's me. There's Stalker. Okay, administrators with an S. Remote management. All users. Sometimes it's grayed out. Sometimes it's not. Go to options. Just because it's not ticked off doesn't mean anything. Oh, you went up. You went up. What are you doing, Stalker? So just because it's not ticked off doesn't mean anything. Administrators is two of us. Myself, un Stalker. Okay, and then I go to remote. There's me, and there's Stalker. And then I go to internet sharing. This is the only one with the red button. Only one where off is red. Sharing is remote. Bluetooth sharing, always allowed. When other devices browse, always allowed. Folders others can browse, public. When receiving items, accept and save. That's the setting on my Mac. Content caching, there we go. Energy impact is very high. System preference is using significant energy as always. And there's RPM. The fan is very loud at 8,000 RPM. Not charging for 19 minutes. No visible network. Do that. That. Oh, lots of remote. Lots of remote. Everything is remote. Lots of remote. Everything in system preference is remote. Everything in system preference is remote. Let's go to remote login. Dum, 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 dum. Everything is remote. Battery's not charging for 20 minutes. Mac is very loud. The malware is very loud. 8,000 RPMs. All system preferences remote. I just saw preview there, but preview is not opened here. Let's see. Preview is not open there. Quit does mean quit. And system preference is using significant energy again. All right. How about this one, Stalker? How about if I try that one? No. How about media sharing, Stalker? I know you like media sharing. How about screen sharing? Security is remote. Go up there. There we go. Everything is remote. Alright, not charging for 22 minutes, okay. Over here, activity monitor is using significant age switched. Activity monitor, okay. So let's do this again. Let's go over here and let's go to screen time. 53 minutes, okay. To preview 2 quick times. Okay. Oh, this went up. Oh my goodness. Let's see what Stalker is up to. 140, 141, 132, 139, 149, 142, 141. Terminal is still at 11 minutes. 117, 133, 124, okay, 138. Energy impact. Whoa, Stalker, what you doing? What you doing on the computer? System preferences back up. Alright, 130. 131, 133, 37, 141, 139, 142, 140, 138, 140, 140, 141. Oh, it's too early in the morning, Stalker. 141, 142. Are you done? Energy impact is significantly high. 114, 116, 115. You're tampering with screen time, Stalker. 140 again. 138. Battery is not charging. 123, 138, 129, 142, 137, 121, 101, 121, 129, 123, 127, 126. Whoa. What you doing, Stalker? I know who you are. I know who you are, Stalker. Are you shitting in your pants as yet? I bet you are. And that's why you don't want YouTube to load. System preference is using significant energy. 123, 137, 130. Stalker is shitting in his... I think that's going to be the title of this video, Stalker. Stalker is shitting in his pants. Or Stalker is shitting his pants. Which is the proper English Stalker? Stalker is shitting in his pants or Stalker is shitting his pants? I think Stalker is shitting his pants is proper, is better English, right? Oh, you just went down. Still at 130. Stalker is shitting his pants. Right? That presupposes that you have pants on, right? So if you have pants on and shitting your pants, it means you must be shitting in your pants, right? 143, 139, 130, 132. Now this is moving, which is surprising, because well, you know, some days it's this, some days it's that. A stalker learns to tamper and change and, you know, fool around with the stuff. Amazon, where did that come from? CBC radio, that's amazing. And CNN.com. Anywho, this will continue. 130. Energy impact just went up. categories. Other is 1 minute. Always allowed. Alright, preview 7 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes is quick time, and 2 minutes is quick time. And so tampering went down here. Battery not charging for 27 minutes, and now we're at 45 at screen time. What happened to system preference? System preference is using significant energy here, but screen time is not here anymore. Are you done tampering with screen time, Stalker? Because this has gone down. Okay. Alright, so let's go down here. Go to network. Oh, woohoo. Network is remote, so go here. Oh, that just switched. It did a big switcheroo. It did a big switcheroo. It just switched. 28 minutes not charging. So go here. Turn on. 50. Here. Home network. So this is ticked off and grayed out when it shouldn't be. This is not grayed out, although it was grayed out before the wipe. So show password. Yep. So sometimes, as I've mentioned before, I show password. Password is correct, but it wouldn't connect to my home network. So let's go join. You can hear the sound of the malware. Okay, go here, go there, and you're ticked off. Here and here, and you're ticked off. Here and here, and you're ticked off. And you're ticked off again. Okay, so Stalker has set that to be ticked off. Network is remote. Alright, battery's not charging. Remote, remote, remote. Data is moving. Okay. Can't find server for Apple. Apple.com. Can't find Apple. Cannot find Yahoo. Cannot find Bing. Oh, data moving there. So let's do this. And go back one. Bing, Google. Nope. Go back one. Wikipedia. Nope. Facebook. Nope. Can't find the server for anybody. Twitter. Nope. LinkedIn. Nope. Stalker is faster now. It doesn't take any time to load. It's way faster. So Stalker has done his tampering. And the weather. Nope. Yep. Nope. TripAdvisor. Nope. No, it will not let me. Ooh, Safari is using energy. Look at that. Safari is using significant energy. Safari is using significant energy. But Safari is way down there. 31 minutes not charging. Yeah. Safari is using significant energy, but it's not reflected in activity monitor. Safari is using significant energy, but it wouldn't load a single web page. That's nothing new. I remember when I was in university, nothing would load. Right, Stalker? Because you didn't want me to graduate, did you? Oh, energy impact is very high. Okay. Safari is using significant energy. Battery is not charging for 32 minutes. Stalker is tampering with my channel. Nothing new. Network is remote. Safari is using significant energy. Alright, Safari is using significant energy, but it's still at 38 minutes here. Okay. Energy impact just went up. Safari using significant energy. Oh, you're back screen time. You're back at 140 something. Energy impact went up and went down. 125, 119. Safari is done using significant energy. Now it's back to system preference. Come on, Stalker, you're shitting in your pants and you know it. Son of a bitch. Not charging for 33 minutes. Screen time is at it again. See how much your data has moved? Data moving. Data moving. Where you're going to MDNS responder. So I get a drop down menu now. I used to be able to quit from here. No more. Screen time is number one user at 130, 136. Oh, data still moving. See? Data moving. Turn off. But data moving. $140, $134 for screen time. Data moving. Ooh, and Safari changed. 2 minutes extra. So if it changed, why was it not loading a page? Anyways, nothing makes sense. And he changes it only when I speak up. When I speak up, I remind him what's happening. YouTube has been on for 8 minutes? Stalker, come on. YouTube has been on for 8 minutes, but nothing loaded. YouTube did not load at all today. I haven't used this Mac for 3 days. For the 8th, yesterday, Sunday, I didn't use it. Today's Monday. On Saturday, I didn't use it at all. I used it on Friday. Oh, apparently on Friday, I didn't use it at all either. Wow. On Thursday, I used it 8 hours. Preview QuickTime, preview QuickTime. So Friday's usage is all gone. Saturday, no use. Yesterday, Sunday, no use. Ooh. I didn't use it on Sunday, but there's use. Huh. App usage. So yesterday, Sunday. Nothing here. November the 8th, Sunday. Nothing here. Categories, nothing. Pickups, nothing. But always allowed. Did use it. Did use. My Mac was in use. Preview, QuickTime. Or is that for today? Let's see what it shows. Data is still moving. Go here and go to see yesterday. And 9th is today. And go to always allowed. Yeah, that's June for today. Alright. Data is always moving. And let's see here. View last 12 hours is grayed out. Yep, last 12 hours is grayed out. So Stalker decides what to gray out and what not to gray out. Okay, data moving. Let's run diagnostic since we're at it. $113. Battery's not charging. System preference is using significant energy. 95. Data is moving. No visible network, but data is moving. FS underscore usage. What's that? Never seen that before. System preference is using significant energy. No web page will load, but packets in and out. More packets out than in. 284.8 footprint. 270. 97, 95, 96. Data moving. All right, things have changed. The more things are grayed out now. Oh man, more things are grayed out now. Yeah. Data moving. Big movement there. And it has changed again. Yep. Somebody shitting in his pants. I know who you are. Well, I've always known who you are, Stalker. Come on. '90, '96, '93, '94, '61. Data moving in and out. Malware is very loud. Okay. $79, 101. $11.05. $11.05. $122. Cloud service topic. Never seen that one before. $11.02. And it's 11/9. November the 9th. This is November the 2nd. Why are you changing? Don't change. Secure backup. Failure count. Cloud service. $97, $105. Diagnostic D is $96. No app using significant energy, and I have 60, 70, 80, 90. But no app is using 97 is diagnostic D. But no app is using, no app is using significant energy. Two apps using significant energy, yeah. Windows Server. November the 3rd. They're not giving me dates for today's date. They're giving me old dates. And kind is user. Okay, it doesn't give me my, it says my name. $97, $94. Wow, I've never seen so many. So many items. So many processes. Or categories, I should say. Malware is very loud. 8,000 RPMs right there. 8,000 RPMs. And it changed again. Keeps changing. Proactive event tracker. Proactive event tracker. Proactive event tracker. I have 3 of them, all from November the 2nd. disk writes. Don't change stalker. These are from November the 4th. So I have differential privacy. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for proactive event, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 proactive event tracker, and kind is user. They're all from November the 5th and just about the same. 956. They're all 956. And then I have this disk writes. I have I have 4 of them. And we have MDNS responder. Look at that. Wake up resources. I have 4 of them. 6559. And it says date and time November the 9th. It is November the 9th. Battery is not charging. Console and activity monitor using significant energy. Wake ups. MDNS responder has been following me forever. Screen capture. Screen capture. It's there somewhere. Okay, so system log. MD worker shared. Sent by MDS. Okay. And then I shall go like so. One of the 2 will be used. Which one? So I have lots of this. One of the 2 will be used. Which one is undefined? And that is for class MDS token. Is implemented in both system library and and wherever. Oh, 128 console. You're at 128. I don't think you're supposed to be there. Login, clearing phase info, creating connection. Anyway, I've done so many diagnostics, and they've proven that you're here, stalker. Which one is undefined? Okay, so let's read this together. Okay, class. November the 5th, OBGC class is implementing the import system library framework and user library exec blah blah. That's English. $76, $55, $43. Woohoo! MD worker shared. Service exited due to SIG kill. Signal kill. And this is my temperature app, which is being tampered with as well. But then a question is, it says tuna belly software. Or maybe it is TG fan helper, anything that has to do with temperature. Anywho, debug. Changing the target. Path not allowed, path not allowed, path not allowed. Changing the target. 108 is console. Alright. Here's the top. Bootstrap, return invalid destination. Diagnostic report. Log report. Alright, shut down monitor log. The thing is never shut down. Shut down monitor log. There is never a shutdown. This is from October the 15th. It never shuts down. Wi-Fi. Airport D. Anywho, spin. Close that. And let's go back here. 7161. Unable to open device. There we go. 100? 100 stalker. Unidentified error. No such directory. Operations not permitted. 128 and 100 and no app using significant energy? Really? Data always moving. Like I said, always moving. File operation might not work correctly. Of course not. Let's test that out. Go to always allowed. And I have two text edit here. Two of them. Both of them has been used today. But it says application is not open anymore. Yeah. I did not use text edit today, but it tells me it's not open anymore. Okie dokie. Go to app usage. Apps. This text edit has been used today, but it's not open anymore. Stalker will not allow it. Okay, Stalker. Get key info for key EVECT failed. Diagnostic D is using significant energy. Battery is not charging. Diagnostic D will never show. Oh no, look at that. No app using significant energy. Really, Stalker, you're making it so obvious. Activity monitor now. Come on. You're making it too obvious, Stalker. Tailspin. Could not open the tailspin file to append symbol chunks. There is no such file or directory. There's no tailspin. So I'm talking as if I know what I'm talking about. Right, Stalker? It's been a long time, hasn't it? Really, you should take a break. It's been a long time. Okie dokie. That's the error box. And then here, data moving. Network interface. How about that? How about that one? That's the one I want today. Forget it. Error log 84. No error log is empty. Whoa. Host name? How about host name? You cleaned that out, didn't you? Local. Netstat? How about Netstat, Stalker? Alright, internet destination gateway. Let's do it. Internet connection, including servers. Oh, this is foreign addresses. This has changed. Oh, that has changed. The state, this here has changed. This has changed. $164, 100. Domain sockets. How about if I take a screenshot of that one, Stalker? Alright, so let's see. Packet sent. Packet received. 695 connection request. Oh, OMG. OMG. One connection accepted. 667 client connection attempted. 35 client connections successfully negotiated. Right here. Alright. 982 packets received. 5,520 packets sent from this host. Man, you're making it so obvious, stalker. But it took me a while to figure it out, didn't it? And I had to figure it out on my own, remember? Remember? How many years has it been? 10? More than 10? 12? It's getting to be 12 years now. 12 years of stalking me. Wow. It must give you great pleasure to stalk me for 12 long years. 12 years of harassing me and abusing me and terrorizing me, stalker. 12 long years. Not only me, but other people as well. 12 long years. Man. No wonder you don't want me to have internet access. You don't want anybody to know. You don't want anybody to know it's you. Cutting too close to home, right? But that, you see, stalker, when you delete my stuff, it just shows that it's you. Otherwise, it's just ambiguous, you numbnut. Now, every time you delete my stuff, it points to you. Numbnut. Listen, I know you. I've lived with you for a long time. You have no self-esteem. But your wife said, Desiree said, that you like to look important. You'll do anything to look important. Right? Anything to look important. And that's the fact. And you shit in your pants. When evidence becomes available or made public. Right? You shit in your pants. Fully documented. Oh my God. How many years have I been documenting you? La 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 la. The more you delete my stuff, the more it points to you, numbskull. Ah, well. What to say? Two multicast datagrams sent. That's the end of it. Okie dokie. Kill that one. Go out. And then I go to, forget about everything else, go to Wi-Fi. And go to, how about this one here? This one looks good. 135 stalker? Come on. You know you're messing with this one. The minute I click on it, it goes to 135. Oh, screen capture, yeah. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what we have. Current Tether device request received from PID Wi-Fi agent. Okay. All right. Let's close that one. Try this one. Because I know you're tampering as I speak. 85. Okay. 75, 76, 77. Dump plugs. Here we go. Dump plugs. Okay. Okay, data is still moving. 1 KB is going to where? 1 KB is going to where? Kernel task. And 5 KBs is going to where? Where's 5 KB going to? MDNS responder. Doesn't end. Okay, go here. Okay, battery has not been charging for more than an hour. And energy impact is high. Und. Let's try this baby out again. Let's see. We go here. And we go over here. Und network. See, ticked off and grayed out. Turn on. Now, sometimes it asks for a password, sometimes it just automatically joins the home network. Every day is different. It doesn't show the unusual IP address there. Okay, so take that off. And and it's ticked off again. And that, and it's ticked off again. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here, and let's go to Apple. And Apple, I cannot find Apple. Yep, Stalker is at it again, and I'm going to stop recording. Okay, Stalker. Let's see. TeamViewer was the app that I used to find in my computers. Around 2012 was the app I used to find in computers that Stalker had not touched. All data going to Safari networking. There's no system preference in. No system preference in screen time always allowed. There's no system preference here. Oh, yeah, anyways, preview QuickTime stays. There's no system preference here. No system preference. Okay. And there's no Safari and no Spotlight right there. Processing time, yeah. So at 10.17.45 screenshot. I get the beach ball. I see the beach ball, but that would not be in the recording. Waiting, Stalker, waiting. Come on, make a decision. Console and activity monitor. Okay, drag and drop this here. Do it again. Drag and drop it right there. There we go. And stop.